Hey everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I will show you step by step how to transfer crypto from Binance to Huobi Global. I'm actually not sure how to pronounce his name, so please forgive me if I pronounce it wrong. And with that being said, let's hop right into it. The first thing you need to do is to go over to Binance and log in. Once you're logged in, you need to go over to the top right, and then you want to go over to Wallet and click on Find and Spot. You will then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one. And over on this page, you need to go over to the top right and then you want to click on the withdrawal button. Now the first thing you need to do is to select a coin. You can do this by clicking on the coin selector and you'll then see all the cryptocurrencies you're holding. So the coin I would like to transfer is gonna be Cardano. Once you have selected a coin, the next thing you need to do is to fill in the wallet address. To find this address, you need to go over to Huobi Global and then you want to go over to Balances and click on Exchange Account. Now you need to go over to the top right and click on the deposit button. You'll then see a screen looking similar to this one, and the next thing you need to do is to select the coin you would like to deposit. Please make sure to select the same coin as you have selected on Binance, because if you transfer a cryptocurrency to the address of another coin, you will lose all the funds you're transferring. So since I've got Cardano selected on Binance, I'll go over to Huobi Global and search for Cardano. You'll now need to select the chain. I'll go with Cardano, but if you're not sure which network to use for your withdrawal, I recommend you do a quick Google search. Something like, which network does support transferring, and then the name of the cryptocurrency. Once you have selected the right chain, you can click on Send Deposit Address. You'll then see a reminder, and you need to click on Confirm. You'll then see your address, and you'll now need to click on the Copy Address button, and once you have copied your address, you can go back over to Binance and paste your address in. You'll then see that the network has been instantly selected. So once you have selected the coin you want to transfer and the address you want to withdraw to, all that's left to do is to fill in the amount of coins you would like to transfer. You can fill in this amount manually, or you can click on the max button to select all of the available holdings. But I'll go ahead and type in 50 Cardano. So once you have filled in the amount you would like to withdraw, you can click on the withdrawal button and you'll then see this pop up. Please make sure to double check all the information to make sure you haven't made any unnecessary mistakes, and then click on Continue. You'll now need to go through the security verification process, but this is quite easy, because all you need to do is to fill in the 6-figure codes sent to your email and to your phone. Once you have filled in the verification codes, the last and final thing you need to do is to click on Submit. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.